జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 468th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం ఫ్రమ్ 49th శ్లోక. ఓం సుఖదాయ నమః. O Srimanarayana, I realize that you are the one who confers the highest and permanent happiness. O Srimanarayana, you are the one who guides us to practice Vedic tradition, and you are the one who guides us to meditate upon you, and with all this, you are the one finally who gives the happiness which is known as moksham. O Srimanarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Sukhadaya Namaha. Om Sukhadaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimanarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimanarayana. Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimanarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, now Ravanasura getting back to Maricha saying that, "Oh Maricha, I am the king. You should not be speaking so rudely to me." And Ravanasura showed all of his kingship, all of his domination upon Maricha. Then now Maricha again saying back to Ravanasura with the same amount of rudeness, and strongly he is getting back now, saying that, "Oh Rakshasa Raja Ravana, someone who gave you this idea, he must be a big sinner. He gave you this dreadful, very scary idea to abduct Sita Devi. O Ravana, with this, you, your entire kingdom, all your ministers, everything is going to be completely destroyed. O Ravana, I am telling you, someone is not at all happy with you. Someone does not like you to be happy. That is why he gave you this Mrutyudvaram Upayataha, this idea which opens the doors for you to get into death. That much he is willing to destroy you. O Rakshasa Raja, he is planning in such a way to destroy you, and with your own hands the entire kingdom is destroyed and entire of your belonging is destroyed. To that extent someone is planning. That is why he gave you this dreadful idea. O Ravana, I am wondering, I am doubting, and all your ministers, what are they doing now? When king is getting ready to do such a nasty things, when king is getting all these bad ideas to implement, ministers are the one who supposed to stop king from doing these kind of bad things. Your ministers are not doing this. That means they are also probably not at all interested in keeping you happy. Now what you need to do is, first thing what you supposed to do is go back to your kingdom and kill all your ministers. Ravana, if you do good things, because of that everyone will be happy along with you. If you do bad things, everyone will get into troubles because of you and including you. For Ravana, for the entire dharmam, for the entire success, king is the main cause, king is the main reason, king is the main pillar for the entire kingdom. I know all these things. That is why Ravana, I am trying in every possible way to stop you from doing this nasty thing, bad thing, dreadful thing. For Ravana, the one, the king who is having no control upon his senses, people would not like such bad king. The king who brings all kind of bad schemes and implements upon people. People would not like such bad thing. When people does not like king, that king would not be able to rule the kingdom for long time. Oh Ravana, that is why all the kings must be having a very good friends, very good association. That is very essential to all the kings. This is how again Maricha trying to stop Ravana from doing those bad things. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 49th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Suvrataha, Sumukhaha, Sukshmaha, Sughoshaha, Sukhadaha, Suhrutu, Manoharo, Jitakrodho, Veerabahuhu, Vidaranaha. Suvratas Sumukhas Sukshmaha, Sughosas Sukhadas Suhrit, Manoharojita Krodho, Veerabahur Vidaranaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. Om Sukhadaya Namaha. Om Sukhadaya Namaha. Om Sukhadaya Namaha.